Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm super excited. We're taking a look at an awesome, full profile, luxury, but not too luxury, fifth wheel. This is a 2021 Dutchmen Yukon model 410RD. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then, we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this fifth wheel and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from MattsRVReviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every RV that we review. And again today, I am super excited to be taking a look at this very nice luxury fifth wheel from Dutchmen, the Yukon. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Howdy, Will.
Hey, guys.
Hey, how's it going, partner?
Good. I'm excited to take a look at this Yukon. This is a big
Mamma Jamma.
Yeah, big fifth wheel. And like Matt said, it's not like it's luxury, but it's not over the top where it's like, you know, unaffordable and stuff. So
it's going to be awesome.
Yep.
Let's begin. Model is 410RD, but the actual tip-to-tip length of this fifth wheel is 42 feet 5 inches. The dry weight is 14,220 pounds. And Will, the pin weight?
We don't know yet.
Hopefully by the time you're watching this, we'll have the pin weight right there on the screen for you. But up front here, we have a nice painted fiberglass front cap. Yukon, Dutchmen, very nice. You have a mirror right here to help you line up the fifth wheel pin box. 3-year structural warranty from Dutchmen. And you do have a nice Rotoflex trailer pin box here. Underneath, here's your storage. You got your spare tire carrier, a 2,000 watt inverter, and everything right down there.
It looks like, is it generator prepped?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Coming down the side here, we do have your propane tank on this side. 6-point electric leveling, okay, very nice. Not quite hydraulic, but you're saving that money. And then look at this huge power awning with LED lights. And look at this amazing storage right here. This storage is super awesome and nice, ain't that, Will?
Sure is.
Got the Moride slide out tray and everything. Very nice. Right here, you have a little compartment for tools or whatever, kind of like a toy hauler. And then here we have your Moride step above steps. Very nice. You have a nice big grab handle right here. And then this is a place for you to leash up your pet so they don't go running around the campsite. And then look at these tires, Will. They're the Carriers with a K. I love those. Lodestar ST235-85R16. And you have that Moride CRE 3000. Now check it out. Notice with this floor plan, notice how you have the solid steps.
Right.
Before the solid steps came out, you couldn't have a floor plan like this because you would need this well area for where the steps were.
You're right about that.
Very cool. And then look at that. If that awning wasn't big enough, you have another power awning with LED lights. I love it. Coming around the back, we do have a hitch rated for 300 vertical pounds. You cannot tow behind this hitch, so do not tow behind this hitch. You got a ladder to get up on the roof, and right there it is prepped for a Furrion backup camera. And Will, where could somebody get a Furrion backup camera?
Off of our link down in the description below.
We've partnered with Furrion, everybody, to get you the best price when you buy directly through Furrion's website. But you have to use our link, and when you use our link, we get a small commission of it, and it's still cheaper than buying it from a third-party website, and that's the best way to support the show and save money.
That's right.
We appreciate it.
We sure do.
Great. Finishing up, here's your potable water fill.
Potable.
All right. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Right over here, here's just another tool thing. Right there, that's where your dump is. You got your water heater right here, 50 amp power cord and everything right there. And here's the other side of that awesome storage. Up. And here's your water hookup, your black tank flush, city water connection, outdoor shower, and everything. And then this is just the other side of that awesome storage. Right there, you can see that's where your auto leveling is. These are slam latch doors. I love that. And then over here is where your propane is. Well, Will, The outside of this fifth wheel looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right.
Wow. Very nice.
All right, I'll start up front, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Nice bedroom up front here. Bathroom in the middle. Kitchen in the middle.
Okay. I was about to say.
And living area in the
One
back.
AC unit on this thing? What the heck? But no. It has two. It's prepped for the third.
Cool.
Phew! I was about to say, this review is over. No. We're going to start back here in the rear den. I love this, okay? Thomas Paine collection. Theater seats. I love it. Looking directly across at the entertainment center. One, this furniture is so comfortable. I like the color scheme. And then, Will, we're going to need your help.
All right. Got storage up top here in this entertainment center.
Yes.
Nice glass doors there.
Very nice.
More right there.
Thank you for your assistance, Will.
You're welcome.
Everybody needs a tall friend. All right, especially when you go to these big fifth wheels. You got windows on both sides, insignia television right there. We got some storage underneath here. Okay. Storage right there. All right. Little bit of storage right there. Not a ton, but something. Have a nice Furrion fireplace. And more storage there. And more storage there. And then over here, we have double sofas that come out to make beds. Notice how there's no carpets on the slide outs. Very nice. These are tri-fold sofas as well, and they're very comfortable. I love that slide out, how tall the slide out is.
Yep.
How big the windows are, how much natural light it's letting in. You have your privacy blinds right here, and then very nice balances above. And then Will, step right there for me, please.
Where?
On the slide out.
On the slide out right here.
Look at that. Will is 6'3" and he still has
space.
Plenty of headspace. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here you do have the dinette right here. And it's only 2 seats and that's what it's for. There is probably going to be 2 extra seats underneath. And we do have some secret storage right there underneath the table.
Cool.
Well, Will, it's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this fifth wheel here is not bad at all for what you're getting. $85,680 MSRP. Sale price, as you can see right there, we don't currently have a sale price, but will. It doesn't matter what the sale price is, was, or will be. We will always be able to get everybody in America an even better sale price than that. Will, tell everybody how to do it.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962 or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Send me an email, or the best thing to do is to go to MattsRVReviews.com. There you'll see a contact tab with 3 choices. If you're ready to buy this RV or any RV, click tab number 1. That takes you to General RV, and somebody from my team will get you the best price in America. If you have questions on this RV and you want to talk to Will or myself, perfect. Click tab number 2, and that takes you to an email, and we answer you within 24 hours. Or if you just have a generalized fan question, perfect. Click that 3rd tab, and we get back to you as soon as possible. And Will, it doesn't matter if we click tab 3, 2, or 1. What's the one thing that every tab has in common?
They're going to get the best price in America.
Will, let's continue the video.
All right, guys, so I really like this kitchen a lot. So we'll start over here. You have a nice, hold on, sorry. Nice residential Samsung refrigerator.
Wow, look how big that is.
Yep. Freezer down below.
With an ice maker?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Got some storage up top there.
Yes, sir.
Some storage above the microwave here.
Yep.
Nice big convection microwave.
Yes, very big.
And a nice Insignia 4-burner cooktop here.
Ooh, residential style.
Yep, no lights. Well, it has the lights, it's just not coming on. with a nice big oven there.
Was that oven turkey tested?
It sure was. Turkey approved.
Turkey approved. I love it.
On this island, you got a nice spray faucet here.
Uh-huh.
I like this for the 2-bowl sink. Nice big one and then a small one there.
Yes, sir.
You got some drawers. And some...
Oh! That's an $83 trash can!
There it is. Alright. Some more storage there.
Yes, sir.
Then right here you
What
have...
the heck's going on here?
I don't know, it's like a little extra nook or something. So you got some storage up top. Plenty of storage.
That nook has more storage than some fifth wheels.
It sure does. Nice window right there. Did I say solid surface counters already?
Say it again, Will.
Yep.
Hey,
nice solid surface.
say it
throughout.
again, Will.
This is actually really cool for like a nice little coffee bar, or be hard to do it.
Or an air fryer.
Yeah.
Or a cappuccino machine.
And if that wasn't enough, you got a little more right here.
Yep.
Storage up there with your control panels.
Yep.
Right, another little
Yeah.
ledge. I don't know what you would do with it.
Right.
But it's better than nothing. And a little storage down below. And if that still wasn't enough,
man, there
nice
she
big
goes
pantry.
now. Look at that big pantry.
Awesome.
Very nice. Will, it's now time for the tall test.
All right.
Get on up there, Will.
Nice
Look
big shower
at that
here.
shower. Wow.
Nice headspace.
Tall, width, depth,
Yep,
everything.
and even a little teak seat.
I love that shower.
Very nice.
Very nice. Over here, big prep for a stackable washer dryer. Very nice bowls. Look at these.
Yep.
We got storage above. Okay. Very nice vanities. I love the little sinks. They look so Art Deco.
No.
Oh, okay. You got a little storage underneath there. Okay. Drawers here. We got 4 of them. Very nice. And then more storage underneath there.
Yep.
And then Will, it's now time for the toilet test.
All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go now. This is good. Oh yeah. Ample, prime, pooping position. Bing! Very nice toilet area. I like it.
It really is.
Great. Finishing up with the master bedroom. Wow, look at this. You have an entertainment center in here.
That's
Very
pretty
big
cool.
TV. You got storage above with a nice little light, little ambient glow there. You got plenty of storage space here. Plenty of storage space down below. And look, you got a Furrion electric fireplace in here as well. I love that. Over here, king size bed on a slide out. I like the headboard, the side windows and everything. Look at the pillows. It looks kind of Celtic, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Yeah, like Zelda or something. Right over here, we do have the storage above there. Wow,
Man.
look at these drawers. Drawers
9 drawers.
on top of drawers, on top of storage, on top of... Oh! That's another $83 trash can. I love it.
Storage
Well, Will.
underneath.
Oh, let's check.
Sure is.
Yes, sir. Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. That's the Yukon 410RD. Now, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give everyone 3 things we love about the Yukon and 3 things we dislike about it. Will, what do we do with first?
3 things we dislike?
Okay. You want to go first or me?
I have 1.
Go ahead.
Okay. All right. So Matt kind of touched on it earlier. This unit has 2 AC units.
Yep.
Which a lot of times with a unit this big and at this price point, it will come with 3 AC units. You know, it's nice that it's prepped, but I wish that they had just put that 3rd AC unit in.
Yeah, it's kind of, I hear what you're saying. It's kind of like, you know, at least it is prepped for the 3rd. But again, it's a lot of 5th wheels do come with 2, but as Will's saying, in this price point, in this category, in this class,
Right.
I know what you're saying. So that's 1. 2, this lip up
Right.
makes it impossible for 4 steps up, or for 4 chairs here.
Right.
Because,
You're right.
because it's not a flush floor system.
Right.
That's number 2, and I do have a number 3 if you don't.
I don't.
You know how you said something's better than nothing?
Yeah.
I think you're wrong. I think sometimes nothing is better than something. Like, what are you gonna do with this? My opinion, it would have been better just to keep this clear to have a bigger wall.
Right.
You know?
Right. I mean, that little bit of space, if there was this much width, like, next to the stove or something, I could see it. Put your utensils, but it's not even close, and...
Yep. It's interesting.
You can't even put a plate there with food or anything. Yep.
No taco bars here.
No taco bar, for sure.
Well, that's 3 things we don't like about it. Now it's time for 3 things we love about this fifth wheel.
Okay.
I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
I love the rear den entertainment center.
Yep.
I think this is awesome. I think this is so cool. You have your sofas. You have this. I love the height in here. I love how big and open it is. It feels super spacious, luxury, and nice. And I love this feature.
And I'll add to it being tall. A lot of times with the rear dens, they raise them in the back.
Yep.
And I like in this case that they didn't. Yep. You know, gives you a good option.
Exactly. That's 1. 2.
I'm gonna say the bathroom.
Oh wow, yeah, for sure.
It's a nice big bathroom.
Yes.
The only thing I don't like about it is having to walk through, but you know, it's give and take. But I love the big shower at the teak seat. I love the separate little room.
And I love the sinks right there. Yep. I think they look very good, and they're just unique and different.
They sure are.
That's 2. And then number 3, Will, is outside. How could I not say this front storage?
Right.
I'm gonna combo it. The double big tower awnings with LED
Oh,
lights.
yeah.
And then look at this storage. You actually have a Moride slide out tray like it's a diesel pusher motorhome.
It's pretty cool.
I love that. Well, that's it, Will. That's the review. Do us a huge favor, everyone. If you guys have any questions about it, please call us, text us, send us an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com or 301-906-0962. That's my personal cell number. Or the best thing to do is go to MattsRVReviews.com and click one of the 3 contact tabs, whatever one works best for you and your situation. If you're in the market for a rear living room fifth wheel like this, in a few seconds we're gonna have 2 videos show up right here of direct competitors. Will, do you have anything you want to say?
Of course. All right, so like we kind of said earlier, this is a nice big unit. It's, like I said, it's very nice, but it's not like over the top, especially when it comes to price.
Yes.
So I think, you know, this could fit a lot of people. So make sure to, if you have any questions or like this, make sure to reach out. If you please leave in the comments down below 3 things you like, 3 things you dislike, and make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you, absolutely everybody, so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.